Hello everyone, after a long time I am excited to share something unique with you where I am going to show you how to create a video watching website. The concept of the website is simple. Users can earn points by watching YouTube videos and then convert those points into the money once they reach a certain threshold. So let me introduce the design and the working of our website. So this is the website that we are going to build in this tutorial, and this is a kind of design I have made, and the working of this website is very simple. When any user comes to the website and he just sign up for free, then he has to perform some task. The task is very simple. He has to just finish the video completely, okay, and as a reward he will get some points like 40 points, 10 points, etc. okay, and you can see the video has some duration 2 minutes and 1 minute and etc. okay, so he has to just stay on that video until the time ends or this video ends completely. Thereafter he can get some points as a reward. So let me show you how it works. Just open an video. This is the 1 minute, okay, so just click on the play now button. It will take you to this video page, and you will see a video along with this YouTube icon. Right now I just placed an YouTube videos. You can upload your own videos on the server, okay. On the right hand side you will see some instructions regarding this task, which is watch complete video to 1 points, don't minimize the window, you can watch in full screen and etc. Also the video videos like duration, total points, frequency and category. The frequency is the number of times the video you watch per hour, okay. After 1 year you can watch this video again, so and we will get the point as a 10 points. So let me show you how we get rewarded, okay. So let's play this video, and you can also increase the speed of this video. Okay, as soon as the timer ends you will get your points. Let's finish this video. Okay, that's it. Now refresh the page and you can see that it turns to 110 points. Previously it was 100 points, and sometimes you will see that the video is no longer on this place, okay, but you have to refresh this page frequently if you want to watch the video again, okay. So this is the working of our website. Right now we have the 110 points, and there is also an withdrawal system, and I have set the threshold to 300 points. So whenever we reaches the 300 point we can request for the withdrawal. To request the withdrawal, just go to my account, the dashboard. From there you will see a button which is request withdrawal, and when I click on this request withdrawal, will be redirect to this request page, and you can see there on the right hand side I have added some instructions or information like you will get $1 for every 300 points. So this is the threshold, and we have to just earn at least $5 to withdraw our money, okay. So we have to add here the name, the email ID and the points. So let's add point 100, okay. Right now we have the 300 points, and here I am adding 100, okay. So let's see what happens. Now just click on the request withdrawal, and you will see that insufficient funds, you don't have enough points for this withdrawal. Right now this is an extra part I've added in this website. So basically it's an PHP functionalities that works for this limitation or restriction, okay. As soon as we earn more than the 10 funds, we can withdraw these funds. Okay, otherwise it will show the same error, which is insufficient funds. So it not in this functionality does not include in this form. Okay, we have to implement it additionally. So I will also explain this how to implement this code. Okay, and this was the withdrawal process. Okay, now let's go to the videos page. On there you will see all the videos over here. This field is dynamic, as we have the 6 posts or videos, it will show only 6, and this is the starting, the total number of rewards or points. Okay, so you have to update these points by doing all the additions of the videos. And go to the home. We have this nice header, these points overview, the 0 section, the city buttons, watch videos, and how it works. Okay, and I have shown some cards explaining how to work and get sign up, some top earners of this website, sign up page, all the section, some feature which videos I shown over here, and these are the testing videos, and also shown a join community button if you have created a community page. Okay, right now the community page is not created in this website, and here are added 5 to 10 FAQs so that you can easily understand what exactly the website is for. Okay, so this could be very beneficial for the newcomers. And here is the secure city button for the sign up, and this is the sufficient form, and here are some important pages. Okay, right now I will not waste my time by showing on these pages. Okay, so this was the working of our website. So I hope you like the concept and the design of this website. I will explain you everything what I exactly used in this to build this kind of website, which plugins, okay, which plugins used, themes, and etc. So let's jump to a tutorial because it's been a long time that I haven't posted any videos. Okay, so to fill that gap, let's start this tutorial. So this is the environment of an WordPress, and it's an latest version which is 6.6.1. okay, so WordPress has been upgraded so many things, okay, along with the Elementor itself. Now the very first we have to just install an basic theme. As you know, I always build a website from the scratch. I don't use any kind of template. Okay, so go to themes and select any of the theme that you want. So my favorite is Ocean WP. I will install these themes. Now click on activate. Okay, so our theme is activated. Now let's install some mandatory plugins. So go to plugins, click on add new. The very first is Elementor. Just click on install. Also we need this Elementor header and footer builder. Then we need, I will install Pro Elements and the Ultimate Member. Okay, search for Ultimate Member. This plugin will be useful for creating the admins, sign in and sign up pages. Okay, after that upload the Pro Elements. Okay, if you want to use the free, if you want to use the Elementor's Pro features. Okay, click on install. Don't activate, we will activate all the plugins in bulk. So we have the plugins installed on our website. I will install the rest of plugins whenever it will need. So go to install plugins. So just select the bulk options from there, check all the plugins and just make it activate. Okay, so plugins are activated. Now let's create some pages. The very first is home page. From here change the template to Elementor full width, and we have the one page, the videos page, and this is dashboard. Okay, under this my account. So right now we are going to create the header. So we will create the page videos, this FAQ which is the custom link, and this my account menu. Okay, the next page which is videos. Now go to appearance, from there click on menus, just create your first menu, and under it just add these pages. So there are two pages of the home, let's delete one. Okay, this is the custom link. Let's remove this. So we have home, videos, and the second is FAQ which is custom link. And then we have this my account. Under it you will see the dashboard and logout. So these functionalities will come after configuring the ultimate member. So I will create my account as a custom link. Okay, after that just click on save menu. So our menu is ready. Now click on this Elementor header folder builder. We will create our header. Okay, click on add new, skip this part, and name it as an header. From here select header, and template will be full width, and enter website, and role will be all. Just click on publish. Now click on edit with Elementor. We will start our designing process. Close this. Okay, so here I have to tell you one thing. Elementor has been launched a new feature which is off canvas menu. Okay, so basically if you type here the off canvas, right now it's not showing. To use that feature we have to enable some settings like a nested and flexbox. So under this Elementor, click on settings, features. Here you will see nested elements, make it active. After that flexbox container must be active to use that off canvas menu. Okay, once activated just click on save changes, and here I will just refresh this page. Now search for off canvas. You will see we have this off canvas menu. So basically it's for the mobile purpose. When we switch to the mobile menu, you will see a menu which comes from the top or left or from side. Okay, so instead of creating the custom pop-up, we can directly put this off canvas menu by drag and drop from anywhere in the workspace. Okay, from there we can edit our menu. Okay, I will show you once our desktop view is created. So first add a container, again add a container. So here we have 1, 2 and 3 columns. Okay, in the 3 column we have these points to show. So right now I will make it as a horizontal and I will duplicate this 3 times. In the very first we have logo. So let's set our logo. Okay, I will you can set your logo from this customize or just inside this Elementor. Okay, by doing this setting. Go to header and logo, select the logo. And again we have to set our home page. Go to home page, click on static page, from there select the home, click on publish. Let's save it as a draft. Okay, publish this and refresh the page. Now search for logo. Justify content to center. In the second we have our menu. I will use this navigation menu. Okay, before doing this, if you observe, we have logo just beside this text. Okay, so let's bring that logos. For that, just open your menu. We have to add a CDN way for the icon, which is font awesome icon CDM. Okay, font awesome CDM, search for libraries, and here this is the font awesome. Just copy the URL. In our case we have to just copy this tag. Okay, and go to file editor. Under this, search for the header. This is theme header. Okay, open it, and just beside this head tag, just below this head tag, paste your CDN and update the file. This is very important to fetch the icons from the font awesome. After that, search for the font awesome. From the library we have to just select the icon. I will search here first, which is home. You can also filter out from here. Search for the icon home, click on it, copy this code. Okay, now go to menu, and inside this home you will see some space just beside this home. Copy here, just paste that link here, and we have to add the margin from the right hand side, so that it will have the enough space in between the icon and this text. So we will use here inline CSS. Style equals to margin right. I will give it a 5px. Okay, after that go to videos. We have to follow the same procedure. Go to website and search here YouTube. I will copy this style. Similarly for FAQ. So we have added icons to all of our text menus. Now let's make it save changes and reload the page, and let's see if it's added or not. So we have our icon just beside these text menus. So in this way you can add the icons to your menu items without using any third-party plugins. So although there are a lot of plugins are available, within one click you can add icons to your menus. Okay, but I give you or explain you the simplest way to add those icons if your purpose is easy. Now let's style this. So go to style and under this typography we'll switch, make it 500. Okay, and also under this hover we have to add our official brand icon color. So this is our main color. To add those colors, go to it settings, and here you will see global colors. Let's change them. Secondary, I will make it a little bit dark. And accent color, I will use this main color. Okay, now you can see when we hover, it will show our main color, okay, that we want for this menu. So in the third column we have to add or show the points in this way. Right now I will just create the static part. When we will set up the Gamipress, we will add shortcodes instead of this text, okay, so that it will dynamically show the points of a particular user. For that I will use button. So right now I am going to just design it in a simple way. So I will name it as a points. Okay. After that we have to add the drop down on this my account. So first we have to show the dashboard and this logout button. Now we will configure our ultimate member. So go to ultimate member. From here we have to generate some by default pages that we want to create. The first, I don't want this user page, I want this login page. Okay, so create default. Then we need this register page, then create default. And I don't want member page, I also want this logout page. and I don't want account page, and I want this password reset page. So create the record. Okay. After that, click on save changes. Now if you go to the pages, we will have these pages generated automatically by the plugin. As you can see, we have login, logout, password reset, and this register page that we want to create on this website. Okay, so first of all, we will modify our menu. So go to appearance, from there go to menus, and click on view all. So under here you will see a dashboard and logout, but if the user is not logged in or not registered on website, it will show only login. Okay, so I will select login, logout. Okay, so when the user is not logged in, a login will appear, and when the user is logged in, a logout will show. So let's configure this first login, and from here you will see, you can see this menu name. Right now it is everyone, but I will choose this only for the logout users. Okay, and for this logout I will choose a login users. Okay, that's it. Now click on save menu. Let's check your website. Right now I already logged in this website, so it's showing log out. Okay, now we have to create a one page which is a dashboard. So let's create that page, and I will design it later. Right now we have to finish our header. So here I will create the custom dashboard. Select template to Elementor full width. Click on publish. This one. Close this tab. Refresh this menu page, and we have to add this dashboard. So here is dashboard, and for this I will use only for logged in users. Okay, now just refresh the page, and you will see we have dashboard and logout. Now let's style this menu, drop down menu. So refresh this page, click on here, and under this style click on drop down. I will border style make it none, and border radius to 8, text color to black, and when I hover it will turn to primary color, and make it active. Okay, our menu is far away from this my account text, so let's make it okay. It's good right now. Now click on publish, check it. Let's open this in the new incognito mode. Right now it's not showing. Okay, just click on publish. Now check. Now it looks good. Okay, this is our dashboard page. Now let's check out the responsiveness of this header. First thing will be tablet. Now let's make it responsive. First of all, select this menu. We have to select here none. Okay, breakpoint none, and from here change to percentage and make the width so that it will fit within this container properly. And also reduce the size of this column like this. Okay, and let's decrease this padding in between or space in between. Okay, after that in the mobile we have the layout like this. For the right now we have to show only two elements here. The first one is logo on the left hand side, and the second one is a hamburger menu which will be placed on the either side of this logo. So rest of things will be hide. For that I will just hide these points. Go to advanced, and under this responsive just hide on mobile, and this make it breakpoint at the mobile. If you don't want to show the drop down in the mobile, so you can create from the scratch. I will show you how to create this menu using the off canvas feature of the Elementor. Okay, right now I will just make it as a none, and I will add this menu from here, and I will add the icon. Search for a line. Let's reduce the margin from the bottom. So this icon we need for the mobile menu. When we will use off canvas menu, we have to apply or we have to link that menu with this icon. So when we tap on this icon, a menu will appear. Okay, let's transfer this to the left, to the right, sorry, and also change color to secondary, and select this container or column, just make it or reduce the size of it. Okay, and select this, change to %, and reduce it again. Reduce the size until it inlines with this logo. Now let's check, and you can see that our logo and this hamburger menu is aligned with each other. Okay, that we actually want in this view. You can adjust the icon. Okay, so our header is ready. Okay, we have to hide this icon from the tablet. Just select it under this responsive, hide from the tablet and as well as from the desktop. Okay, so our menu is ready. Now we will start creating our hero section. Okay, so let's start designing our hero section. For that we have to just enter into our home page, and then we have to just edit that page. Okay, so go to pages, and this is the home page, and edit with Elementor. Make sure the template is selected as a full width. You can see that it's a kind of a transparent header actually, but it's not. I have just shifted the margin of this section just beyond this header. Okay, so let's do that. Add a container. Now let's change the background of this container. I have already created the background for that. Let's increase the height of this container. Make it 400, or we may extend it more, but let's check if it's fit or not once we adjusted this position towards this header or beyond header. Okay, we have to just shift this back of this header. So select this and make the justify content to center. Okay, after that let's move this container just upward side. Like this, and also you can extend the height again. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we have to create the two columns. For first column will be for this content, and the second will be for this image. For that I will change direction to row. I will copy the content from here, add a heading. Second I will add, or I will just open this with Elementor, so that it will be easier to find the styles that I have applied on each element. Again I will duplicate it, make it h1. Again we have to just increase this side. Let's change this color to secondary, and its size is almost 16. Okay, and font weight is go to condensed. That's it. Then we have to add this. Okay, we have to add the text. Okay. Second, we have to add this button, and just beside we have this see how it works button. For that we have to add another container, and this time container will be horizontal row. Okay, now add a button. Type here watch videos. and here under this hover, okay. Now search for icon box. Remove this content. Under style, make it icon position to right hand side, and also icon spacing, content spacing. Under this content, with this box, this vertical element must be center. We have to write here, see how it works. Now let's change the size of, change the icon first. Okay, I will import that icon here. Click on enable. Let's add all the icons. Select. Let's reduce the size of this icon. Okay. Now change the color of the content, this title, to text. Also we'll add some margin from the right side. Okay. Let's add the padding from the top side. Now we have image on this place. Search for the image. Upload an image. Okay, so our hero section is ready. Now let's move on to the next step, which is this how it works, and we have some cards over here. Okay, so it's simple. Add the header, change it to how to work, and also styling. Change HTML tag to H1. Add padding to 10 or 20. Below that you will see we have these 4 cards. To design those cards, we will add container. Inside we have to add another container. first we have to add this icon. Okay, so we can achieve this using icon box. Search for the icon box. Okay, I will not remove this content as well and this title. Okay, so first shape this to left. No, just keep the icon position on top and continue with the left. Okay, now let's change the icon. I will approve it. The first one is sign up. And we have this content. Okay, right now we have to add this text. This is an additional text, so I will delete this widget. Put an icon. Then we have text sign up. Text. And we have text field. We'll copy this text. Okay, so we have all the contents over here for this card. Now let's style these elements. First let's resize this logo, icon, make it 36, and this sign up I will change its typography, which is font, and we'll make it H1. Okay, also this change color to secondary. Add a minimum of 10 px padding to it. Okay, and also we have to add some drop shadow. Make it lighter. border rate is 210. Add more padding if it's necessary. Okay, now let's duplicate this. First edit this container and change direction to horizontal. I will duplicate 4 times as we need 4 cards. Okay, so we have our 4 cards. Now just select the main container, go to advanced and remove its padding, make it 0. Okay, now let's change the other card details. Here we have this video section. Okay, I will remove the margin from top side. And also set it to H2. Okay, so our cards are ready. Let's add some margin from the top, or just add the padding 50 and also the margin from this container. This one, okay. I will add 30. Now add this button, just copy it and paste here. Align it to center and text is sign up and now start. Okay, click on publish and let's check the preview of our website. So it look like this. Now we'll design the next section, which is this top corners. Again add a container. Now select this container and make its direction to the horizontal and duplicate this container. Okay, and on the second one make it 50% or also less. Or you can simply just copy this column. Okay, so I will copy it and paste here. I will just drag this column outside this container, remove this, select it, okay. Here we have the trophy icon and text is top corners of the week. Now let's design these cards. To design this, first we have to add another container inside it. And first we have this image. The text, okay, this is the name, this is the earned funds, and this is the another image. So we have to set first background as this black. You will see here this column background. Actually, first of all I will give the margin like 50. Okay, let's duplicate them 4 times. Sorry, first of all we have to select it and make the direction to horizontal. 2, 3 and 4. If you think this column is have less space, then just decrease the column width of the second one, like this. And also you can set the margin to 7 instead of 15. Right now I will not design this one by one. Okay, I just created these 4 columns to check these cards have some equal spaces. Okay, so it should not be so much smaller, okay, or not so much bigger. So right now I will just delete these columns. Okay, so first let's change the background color of this container or column. I will use secondary and change the border radius to 10. Okay, and so first we have to add an image of an author or profile. Let me add all the faces. Now go to advanced, and from there you will see here position is default. Make it, sorry, not position, make it absolute. Okay, now we have this issue. Right now this container has no elements. Okay, so for that we will add some paddings in between. Let's say 40 or 60. Okay, reduce the size of this image. I will make it at the center. Now when you duplicate it, okay, so it's changing the size of this image. Right now I will do one thing, just duplicate it, duplicate, okay, just remove it, duplicate, and again one more time. Select this container and remove the extra padding. Okay, 60 was perfect. Now import an image. Change image and also change its position to absolute. Reduce the size. Just place this image at the center of this column. Next we have to add this name. Add an heading. Right now I will just remove the padding from right and left. Let me check this padding, 40. Okay, change it to 40. Change its color to something white. Okay, we have added some extra margins to each column. Let's remove it. Also make it 50 and reduce the size of this text so that it will fit inside this column. And the second text is this one. Duplicate it. Remove the margin from top. Make it bold. And we have to add this image. I will just duplicate it, drag it just below, and change the image. Okay, so our first profile or a user is ready. Now we have to just copy paste to all of our remaining columns. First copy this text image, paste here, and also change this padding to 40. Remove the margin as well. Okay, copy, paste. Similarly copy this and also copy this. Okay, so in this way you can design your complex structures or layouts. Okay, so right now it's an desktop view, so it was easy to design, but yeah, if it comes in the mobile, we have to just create another layout. Okay, so right now I will show you how to make the same design for the mobile view. So in this you can see that I have created this design like this, so that it will just stack one after the other instead of within the one row. So just make those by yourself. Okay, right now I will move to the next step or the next section. You can also remove the extra paddings from here. Like this, and add the margin on top. Okay, this margin, add a padding from top to 30. Okay, click on publish. The next step is this sign up or sign up form, or you can say sign up section. Add an element, set the margin from top to 50 and also padding from top to 30. Add container. Although there is no need to add this container, so we'll change the background from here. Increase the height first just set this image center, repeat node, and display size cover, set to content. Now increase the height. Okay, also just justify the content to center. Just remove this 30 padding. Now just add the heading, make it center, change color to secondary, and also increase the size like 30, 25. So add the second heading, copy this text, let's make it h1, also we'll reduce this boldness, make it 500. Okay, also just reduce the margin from top side and add an button. Which is sign up for free. Okay, that's it. Click on publish. Now we'll move to the next part. This is the video section. So right now it's an different part. Actually we have to create this kind of post videos using the Gamipress plugin. Okay, and then we have to publish some videos or the post like 3 to 6 so that we can create a template and its loop. Okay, this is a loop. You will see here edit template. Right now I am going to skip this part. When we will just configure our Gamipress, we will create the posts one by one. Okay, and then we will place all the posts over here. So right now I will just leave this part. I will just create this section and this button. Okay, add a container, give a margin to like 60. Again add a container. So this time we need one more container. Just and again we need one more container. Okay, in the middle set its direction to horizontal and duplicate it. Okay, in the first we have heading, which is top rated videos. Also justify content to center. And here we will have our button. Remove the margin and just align this button to right hand side. Also this text, and remove some extra paddings. Okay. For now I will just keep this section as it is. We'll move to the next part. Let's publish this and we'll check the preview. It looks perfect. So the next section is community highlights. We'll just show some testimonials over here, and it's very simple. I just used Elementor's default testimonial widget, and then we'll move to the frequently asked questions. Add a container, give a margin to the container as 60. Also add another container. As you can see here, we have some text, and inside here we have one widget. Okay, so we'll add the text. I will copy this header. So let's add the background color to this container. We'll also increase some height like this, and also justify send content to center. Now paste here, make it center, change color to white, and give a title as community highlights. Or don't make it as center. We have to just adjust this text at the top. Second, let's copy the second. I'll just copy this heading. Put this outside this container. Okay. I will change it to a 20 and also remove the margin from top, and the text is something like that. Copy its text, I will just reduce the width of this text field. Select this container and just align items to center. Okay, give padding from top 30. Now let's add this widget. So search for accordion, not accordion, testimonial. This testimonial carousel. First we have to just style this carousel. remove this. We have the image on the top side. In between we have the text, and at last we have this text or name. Justify this content alignment to left hand side and go to style. Set the background color to this. Also border radius to 10. So this is border width, here is 10, and padding to 20. Now this is the content. Text color to white. Everything will be white here. Okay. Now let's change the image. We'll increase the image size. Now let's change the content. Okay, so we'll duplicate slide first, second and fourth, and here slides per view would be 4. Select this and remove the extra padding. The text is a little bit bigger, so that's why it's quite scratch from the top and bottom. So if you keep your text smaller, then it will be fitted in the rectangle or box. Okay, so let's publish it. Now we'll add accordions. Okay, for that search for first we have to add the container. Add margin from the top to 60, and here we have to give FAQ text or heading. So I will copy this, paste, change the text color to secondary. Here I will write as FAQ, and add a container. Inside again add a container. The first change the direction to horizontal so that we can make 2 columns inside it. Okay, now duplicate it. I will not duplicate here. I will just first create this accordion first, then I will duplicate this same column over here. Okay, now search for accordion. This is the accordion, place here. Right now this is the good feature of this Elementor that they have updated here. Now you can just drag and drop the elements inside this accordion. Okay, later it was not there. We just had to enter some text inside it, or you can just play the shortcut, but right now they have given this whole drag widget here option. Okay, so when I was creating this accordion, that time it was not there, but right now it's been updated. So I will just close the remaining accordions. Here is the title, and I think we have to just put the text here. So let's add first title. And here we will add text. See, this is the previous version of the accordion. So it was like this. So they had given this text field as well to put the text inside it. Now let's style this accordion first. Change the header color to okay, it's a background. Sorry, this is auto header. Okay, so active will be our, change it to 50. I will give a weight to 500. Okay, and I will remove those borders if it's possible in this version. Here are the border text. I will make it as none, and let me search for the box shadow. Right now I think there is no box shadow over here, so we have to add from here. Border and box shadow. Okay, now let's duplicate these 4 items, as we have 10 FAQs. Okay, on the left hand side we will keep 5 FAQs, on the right hand side we will keep 5 FAQs. So I will continue this video once I have added this FAQs. Okay, so right now I will not update this data, you just update them. I will just copy or duplicate them for 5 times. Okay, so we have these 5 FAQs. Now just now select this column and duplicate it. So we have 5 plus 5, 10 FAQs on either side as well. Okay, you just change the contents over these FAQs. Right now I'm just showing you how to design these layouts. Now click on publish. So this is the our FAQ section. Now we'll move to the next section, which is this kind of CTA button. Okay, so let's design this. Again, to create, add a container, give margin from top, this time I will give 20. Again add container, make it direction to row horizontal and duplicate it. I will just reduce its width. Okay, like 1000. In the first, set margin padding 220, and we'll change the background. I will set the background that we have set in the our hero section. Let's increase this height. Okay, so our CTA button is also ready. Now let's publish it and let's take a preview of our website. The text is changed to black, but we have already set its color to white. So let's check in incognito mode. Okay, it's black actually, so it may have some cache issue. Okay, so we have already set the color to white, so it will be visible as white. Okay, so right now we have just finished our header, the body, and finally we just left with this footer. In the next section, next part, we will create the footer, and after that I will show you how to just optimize for the mobile devices. Okay, so a lot of people complain that this website is not mobile friendly, so it will be not automatically mobile friendly. We have to just make them optimize for the mobile by doing some settings and changing some responsive modes. Okay, so we'll create first footer and we'll move to the responsive designing of the website. Okay, so let's head toward our footer area. I will use header and footer builder. Okay, so click on this Elementor header and footer builder, create new header, footer. From here select footer, display on entire website, user roles will be all, and select the embed as Elementor full width. Click on publish. Once published, just edit with Elementor, and the header, the footer will be like this. Okay, it's very simple. It's a logo, then a submission form, and then some important links. So right now let's create the footer menu first. So we only one menu, which is main menu. So let's create the next menu, which is footer menu. Okay, so we don't have those pages, so let's create them one by one. So the first is privacy policy. So let's add them one by one. First is privacy policy, disclaimer, agreement, TNC, about and contact and support. Let's arrange them. Okay, click on save. Now we have our footer menu. Now let's add that menu in our footer. So first we have a logo. First let's add a layout, container, give a padding to it, Then search for the logo. Then we have this subscribe form. Okay, I will use only the Elementor form. To reduce the width of this form, go to advanced and you can set your custom width. Select the container and just align items to center. Okay, like this. Let's change the field color, which is background. So I will first remove the border. Make it 0. So I will set background color to something like, okay, add outline or border to this form, and let's change the color of this outline to something like this. Okay, so if you think that this form is form's width is less, then you can increase from here. I just kept it as a 70. Okay, 70 for this form, and button 30. Also you can reduce the height of this overall widget from here, and go to buttons. From there you will see the typography, change it to robot, and also I will this is a transform, let me make it uppercase or capitalize. Okay, and also increase the size. It has a little bit letter spacing. Let me remove it or keep it point to pick something. Okay, so our form is ready. Now in the below we have this footer, this footer menu, these pages. Search for the menu. From there change the menu to, okay, I'm going to refresh, going to publish this because we have to refresh this page. Some changes haven't made until we get refresh. So here we have footer menu. Go to style and let's change the typography. It's a little bit bold. I will make it lighter. Okay, now it's done. Also reduce the margin from the top. Okay, so we have our footer, menu, items. Now finally we have this copyright text. So it's very simple. You can directly search for the copyright. If widget is available, it will show. And remove this. You can set your name over here, okay, instead of this shortcut. Now click on publish. Let's check our website. So our footer is added. Okay, so we almost done our home page. Our header is also ready. So right now I had to tell you about the responsiveness of the website, how to optimize this for the mobile as well. So I will just cover this short tutorial on the responsiveness. We have to make some changes in our layouts in the mobile section. Okay, so I will show you just this hero section. Okay, and the rest of things you have to do by your own way. It's very simple. Now let's enter into the home. Open home in your Elementor. From there we can switch header and the home. Now let's enter into the tablet mode. And in the starting we just made this header for the mobile as well. Now we have to make this hero section mobile friendly. Okay, so it's very simple. It's already done in the mobile. We have to just adjust or reduce or increase the size of font sizes. So it's bigger in the mobile view. Let's decrease the size. So I will use 40, and also line height, do something like this. Okay, you can shift this to the center, or you can just keep the alignment as it is on the desktop view. And you will see that these two items are just one after the other. Okay, so we have to shift these elements in line with each other. So this play button will be at the right side of this watch video button. So let's first make it like this, and also reduce the size of the icon for the mobile friendly. Okay, so it's good. Now we have to shift this to the right hand side. So for that we have to just decrease the size of anyone. Either we can decrease this button or this text from here. So let me show you if it works for the button. If we reduce size, okay, it's working. But you see that there is no enough space to adjust these two elements at once. So I will do one thing. I will just shift this at the center. Okay, This will be also at the center, and this as well. Okay, so now it will look properly in the mobile device, and you will see that some elements are already optimized for the mobile, but some may not. In this case, you will see that these are something like this, so you have to just align these elements according to the desktop view. Okay, so it will be a very time consuming process, so I just ignore this part, responsiveness part, but you can do it very easily. Also, you can add this column if you don't want to show in the mobile tab view. From advanced, just go to responsive and add this from the mobile. Okay, this was the basic tutorial for the responsiveness of any WordPress website. I will make another tutorial showing the whole process how to you can make a responsive website of any complex website. Okay, so right now I'm going to stop here. Now enter into the desktop view and we'll move to the next part, which is sign in and sign up pages. Okay, this is the sign up page. Okay, and simply we will create by using the Ultimate Member plugin, which we can create the nice sign in and sign up pages for free of cost. And also when you create an account, it will show this kind of sign up page. Okay, and also I will add this type of option so that user can easily access the website without signing up. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so before configuring the Ultimate Member, make sure all the default pages have been created that will require in this kind of website. First of all, I need this login page, so I created this, and I told you how to generate these pages. Okay, now click on this, we'll start designing from this login button. So click on or you can open in the new tab, and from here change the layout to Elementor canvas if you don't want to show header. Okay, if you use Elementor canvas, the header and the footer will be invisible, or you can say header will not be shown. Click on save and edit with Elementor. So this is the shortcut of the UM. So delete this and just make it VH and make it 100. Now add a container. So we have let me open that design first. So we have a section. Okay, and I have set a background. You will see here, this is the green color, this is actually a background, and on it you will see this container, 2 column container. Okay, so first let's change the background. Position will be center right, or simply top right you can say, or make it center right, and repeat will be no repeat. And set the display size to content. Okay, and adjust this vertical alignment to center, justify content, and so here we have this one. Okay, this one container, inside you will see this is first, and there is a one in the mid, and this is the last. Okay, so that we can have a greater space in between these two elements. So I intentionally shown this design or represent the design in this way. Okay, so let's do this. So this is a container. I will simply add another container. Okay, and in this container we have to apply a background. So let's add the background. And make it position in the center. And if this site content, okay, it's not fit, so make it cover or use default. Okay, now duplicate it first, and this is second. In the select the first column or container and make its direction to horizontal. Okay, so we will have these three columns. Now remove the padding from the first column or container. Now in the first we have some content like this. First logo, the content, and then continue to website link. So let's add a logo. Again we have to add content, and also will transfer to underline decoration. And let's add the link, which is which is site URL. Okay, and again add the padding. So I've added 30. Let's increase the size of this logo. Okay, now on the right hand side we have our form. So for form we have to add a shortcut directly, and don't worry about the settings, I have already done, so you can find that settings inside the blog section. Okay, blog will be on this website designing process, so I will keep all the codes and the assets that required for this website, and you can download from there. Okay, so my website is webcrowd.co.in. if you visit it, you will see this website, and from there you can download this website for free just by clicking on download files, or if you want to preview, you can preview from here, and if you want to design your own, you can design from here. Okay, so just visit the website, and from here you will visit the blog section, where I have post every blog that I have create the tutorial. Okay, now let's add the shortcut. So you will find a shortcut on here. This is the login shortcut, and I will just paste here. Okay, now click on publish. Let's test or check the preview of our website. Okay, right now this is the login form. So okay, I've already added. Click on login. So you will see this is our form. Now we have to just adjust the alignment at the center, and also we have to design this according to our theme preferences, like colors, and okay, we will just replace the colors and this placeholder. Okay, so I will change its justifying into center, and also to this, and I haven't added padding in the second column. I added 30. Okay, and I have already just modified those buttons and the form using custom CSS. So I will just copy those code and paste into the additional CSS. Now click on publish and refresh it. Let me show you if I just make publish. Okay, click on publish and take the preview. Okay, now we have to do one thing over here. You will see this label is outside this field, so we have to make inside this field. Okay, so we can do this inside this ultimate member plugin. Go to dashboard. Okay, so we have to just edit these forms. So first of all, we will add this default login form. Okay, just click on edit and open a new tab, and on the right hand side you will see some modifications or some settings. From here, just click on the customize this form, click on yes. A further modification will be up here. Here you will see the default template, the maximum width of this template. You can also extend this, so I will keep it as it is. And this is the field forms. So here I will show inside text field, and primary button will be login and no secondary button. So if you want to show the secondary button, so you can click on yes. So secondary will be register button. Okay, but in our case we have both buttons, which is login and the create an account, which is the register. Okay, so we can change the name on this button. So let's enable it. So create an account, and also show forgot password link, yes, and also show remember me. Okay, and after the login it should be redirect to the home page, which is our main website URL. Okay, now just click on this username, edit, and just cut this label and put inside this place folder. Also cut this password and place inside the placeholder. Click on update. So if you want to add more fields, then just click on this plus button, not this one. So you will see a lot of fields over here, like YouTube video, Vimeo, text area, drawing, etc. Okay, according to your requirement, you can put those fields inside your form. Now click on update, and let's check our form. Okay, so right now our text, which was the label, is now inside this form field. Now we have to just adjust these buttons. Okay, so it is done. Now we got our login form. Okay, we have login, we have create an account button. So when I click on this create an account button, it shows a register page, which is by default come with this plugin. So we just forget to add a heading or title just above this form, so let's add that. So right now our form has this sign in text. Copy the heading from here and paste here. Give it as a sign in. Click on publish. So we have this sign in text. Okay, now let's in the same way let's create our registered page. So go to pages and we have the registered page. Now click on edit and set the template as Elementor full width, not full width, Elementor canvas. Click on save and edit with Elementor. Now remove this and I will copy this same and paste here. We have to just change the text on the left hand side, and this will be sign up. This is the default registration shortcode. We need to just paste here. Okay, now we have to just change this text. And we have these fields: username, email address, create password, confirm and create password. Okay. So let's check first which field we have in our form. Click on create an account. Okay, so every label is just outside this field, so let's put those labels inside these fields in the same way we did for the login form. Click on this default registration and edit. Here also set the customers to yes, and here inside text field, here is the register. I will set it to create, and secondary button will be login. Okay, we have secondary button as the login. And also you can show your privacy policy if you want to. Right now I'm going to skip this part. So after that, go to username. Here I will simply use username. I will delete the first name and last name. Okay, username, email address and password. I will just cut this username and paste inside this placeholder. Okay, that's it. Click on update. Now let's check or refresh this page. So we have our sign up form. Okay, now we left with our next form, which is password reset. So go to pages and here is the password reset. Okay, click on edit. Change template to Elementor full width. Click on save and edit. So just close it, or you can just store this, and I will copy this login and the content will be okay. Click on login, click on forward to password, and here is the text: reset your password. And simply here replace this shortcut with it. Okay, click on publish and let's check. Okay, let's increase the column width first. Okay, so we have a reset password form. Okay, go to structure and give some border radius, which is 10. Okay, we have login form, we have sign up form, and we also have this password reset form. Okay, so you can see that our footer and header is visible because we just by mistakenly set our template as Elementor full width. Here we have Elementor canvas for this register, and here is the canvas. Here set to another canvas. Okay, so footer and header is disabled. So in this way you can create any login or registration pages using your ultimate member. So this part is ended now. Now we'll move to the next part, which is, this was the home. Okay, and now we will move to the our main part, which is dashboard. So before moving to dashboard, we first create our videos. Okay, first we will create this template, and then we will create the video pages. Then we will just publish our all videos inside the one page. Then we will set up our dashboard. Okay, so let's do that. So now we will configure our Gamipress. So first of all we will install the Gamipress. We haven't installed that plugin yet. Click on add new plugin, search for Gamipress. Although Gamipress have a lot of its variations of the plugins, as you can see, this is the main plugin. This is the link, block users, manager, button, and lots. Okay, so we have only one free which we can use in our website, and but the limited one. Okay, so if you want to use the full potential of this Gamipress, then you have to buy those combos as well. So let's try this single plugin first. Click on activate. Once activated, you will see here the Gamipress options. Click on Gamipress, and under this you will see point types, achievement types, and types, user earnings, and so on. And if you click on the add-ons, you will have a list of Gamipress add-ons shown here. Okay, you can see, but these are not free, we have to pay for this. Now go to the dashboard. Here you can see the tutorials of the Gamipress. Go to point types, and we have to create the pointers of our users for our users. Okay, so click on add new. Here I will click on point. Plural will be points, and slug points underscore 1. You can set the automatic point hours. Okay, you can also set your point type image. So let me show you how it works. Okay, now click on publish. under these point types we have to set the automatic points rewards. Okay, so click on add new point reward, and under you will see a list of point rewards like the user will earn the points if successful submit a form, unlock specific achievements, site interactions, this, and you will see a lot of options of different types. Okay, so in this website we are going to use YouTube video to watch specific YouTube video. Okay, so here we have to place the YouTube ID. Right now I will search for the YouTube which is a common creative video. Okay, so search for animal, and from here click on filters and select the Creative Commons. And for now I will just use this short video. Just copy link address, paste, and you will have this ID. Just copy this ID, go to the points and paste here. Now this is the number of times the user must watch the video to earn the reward. Okay, so right now it's by default set as a 1. So when the user watch this video for the one time, it will get rewarded. Okay, and it is just unlimited. It is set as unlimited. It means that he can watch the videos for the unlimited number of times. So right now we just want users to watch after 1 hour. Okay, so this is 1 per hour, means he can watch the video after 1 hour to earn the rewards. Okay, and he will get the point 10 points with the maximum number of times to earn. The top keep it as 0. Okay, give a label. Right now this congratulations, you have won 70 points by watching video completely. So here set 10 points and the URL, set the video URL, just copy it and paste here. Okay, so we have just set automatic point hours. So in this way you can we have to just almost set all our videos and also set their point all the rewards according to their durations. Okay, so and here we will see, and here we have automatic point deduction. Right now we are not going to use this feature, so click on update. Once updated, now go to post, click on add new post and give a title of the video which is okay. Now click on plus icon and search for Gamipress. You will see here YouTube. Now click on YouTube and here we have to set URL or ID. So I will copy this URL or paste here. Okay, you can simply just copy the ID. Okay, you can increase the width, it's a by default width. Okay, and that's it. Now first let me show you how it works. So here I will in below this I will search for the Gamipress. Okay, and here is the user earnings. So right now it's showing you have not earned anything yet. Okay, so let me show you the practical first. You will watch this video completely and it will be, and you will get rewarded as a 10 points. So click on publish. Make sure you have inserted the correct video IDs inside this and also inside this automatic point rewards. Okay, this ID, this is the URL. Okay, if you just mismatch anything, so video will not work. Now click on publish. Now let's test our first video. So here is our first video. Click on play. Okay, I think we just copied the wrong ID or the link, so let's correct them. Here also I just copied the wrong ID or URL. Okay, so video is not working over there. Okay, let's change the video. Copy link address, first change over here. I will copy this link, paste here. This is the ID, just copy this ID. Paste here, click on update, and also just paste that ID over here. Okay, now this video is showing. Click on save. Now let's update it. Click on play. Let me fast forward this video. After 30 seconds or completely watch the video, we will get through 10 points. Now refresh it. So as you can see, we have these 10 points. Okay, so you will see the thumbnail, description. Okay, so we have also there are some modifications in these shortcuts. We have a complete modification areas. Okay, right, we can hide this thumbnail, we can hide the description, or we can hide this date. Okay, and also we can show the time of the date where we watch that video, and also we can skip these points. So we will need this to show these points over here, okay, of that particular user which is already signed in. So I will show you those things in the further video. So right now this is okay. So let's design and implement this in our Elementor's theme builder, where we will create our product. Okay, product template. So I will just remove this. Click on save. Now go to this Elementor template, click on theme builder. From there we have to create our single post. Okay, close this. You will see that we have the template like this. We have some instructions and video details just right of this video. Okay, so let's design this in the same way. set direction to the horizontal, click on duplicate. Okay. So here we have to show in this place we have to show video content. So search for post content which will include our video. So let's preview our this singular. So this is the video. Okay, right now we have this sidebar. Let's remove this sidebar. For that we have to just set the template, which is page layout will be Elementor full width. Okay, now it's perfect. After that we have to just let's refresh this. Okay, just let it go. I will make it 50%. Also set some padding from top will be 40 and bottom also 40. Now we have to add instruction just beside it. So I will copy the text from here. Instructions. Okay, so we have these instructions. So let's add it. First is now we have to add these video details. Duplicate it, and for this we have to use this icon box. Remove this. The style we have to just shift this icon to the left hand side and this text to center. Let's reduce the size of this icon. The first one is video duration. Go to style and let's change the text color. First make it primary. And text size to 15 px, and here we have to add the duration, which is 0 is to 30 seconds. Go to style and here we have content spacing, make it 0. Okay, now let's change the icon, which is clock. Now duplicate it. Let's say it general. Okay, later we have to connect these elements by an SEO. Click on publish and let's check our post. Okay, so we have this post ready. So this is the post post template. Right now we have to just create its thumbnail. Okay, so thumbnail will be like this: an image, some details, and this play now button. Okay, so let's create that template. So here we have to just make sure, or just keep in mind that we have to just follow the same procedure for all of your videos that you are going to implement in this website. Okay, so according to the length of the video and the okay, you have to give the limited time period, like a week, day, or the month as per your need, and also you have to set this label and these points. Okay, so right now the video was 30 seconds, so I just gave it 10 points. If the video will be 1 minute or 2 minutes or beyond, you can extend your points to 40 points or 100 points. Okay, so the user can earn more while watching the video for a long time. Okay, now let's me show you how to create that template. So I will added the one post. So after creating template, I will just post almost 6 videos. Okay, and then we will continue creating the video pages, and we will just show those videos inside that page. So first let's create the page which is video. Let me check if the page is created. So here we have our videos pages. Click on it and edit with Elementor. Now we have to just create this page like this. Add a container, give a padding which is 40 px from the above and 40 px from the bottom. Again add a container. So this time we have 3 columns. This is the first, second, and third. Change direction to row. Click on duplicate. First of all, let's change the color of this background, which is primary color. So here I will add a text. Change color to white. I think okay, white. Now set its direction to row horizontal. Justify content to center. Also we have to show the number of posts. So right now, for a temporary purpose, I will add a text. Then I will show you how to show the number of posts. Okay, so here I will add 6. Here I will add a text for our pages, videos. Okay, let's decrease the size of this, or okay. Let's decrease the size of this text. which is 20. Okay, now make it at the center, copy this and paste here. And also make its direction to the horizontal. Here the text will be. We have to show this icon box over here, okay, which shows total points. Instead of doing this, I will copy from here, so it will save a lot of our time. Remove this, change the color and the icon of this. Also the color of the title to white and change its content to total points. Set to 500. Okay, now click on publish. After that, just close this and open page. Here we will just use the loop builder of an Elementor. So here is the loop grid. Okay, first let's add the container. Padding to 40. Now search for the loop. So here will be the post selected and just create the template. So in the first we will have this post, not featured image. So we just forgot to set our featured image for our post. Now go to the post, click on edit, set the featured image. So for now I will just set randomly any image that I created previously. Click on save. Click on publish and just refresh it. So this is our featured image. Right now we have to just show this featured image, and just below we have some video details. For that we have to add some containers inside it. Click on container, add a container. So I am going to keep the padding to 0 and border radius, okay, from the top side 10 and right will be 10. also set for the image, or you can just simply set for the image instead of this container. 15 and 15. Okay, now just add another container inside it. Also let change the color of the background color. Do something like this. Okay, top will be 5, 15 and right will be 15. Okay, this is the container. Okay, again just place a container. Just click on the second container and make it row horizontal, so that we will have the two columns in this second container where we have to just add text or details. Click on duplicate inside the first. We have title, duration and reward. So search for heading, we'll write here title. I will change text to 17 or 18. This will be the title. Just copy this and paste here. I will change its weight and also size. Okay, now copy the main container and just remove some extra paddings from it. Copy and just duplicate it and set the top margin. In the second we have duration, and third we have reward or reward. So title, here I will use dynamic tag, which is the post title. From here click on post title. Now we have to adjust the container so that the right hand side that we have read the text will have the enough space to adjust them. Okay, so I will reduce it. (42). This also will be 42. This as well. Okay. Now we have to adjust button below it. So search for the button. So let me copy the button from the home page. Copy and paste. Also let's set the margin from the bottom, padding. And you can adjust this button margin from the left hand side. Okay. And here write text as a play video, and I will use the link as a post URL. Okay. So here I will just change the padding from top 10, bottom 10, right 50, left 50. Okay. Okay. So our template is ready. Now let's refresh our video page. So this is the video page. Okay, so I already refreshed it. Here you will see a title, duration, reward and a play button. When I click on the play button, it will be redirect to this post video. Okay, and here okay, we have to change the icons of these points. So edit the single post template. Total points is the frequency. Okay, so I will use here I will use eyes, and this is the category. So for now I am going to use this as a category. Okay, as a video category. So let's publish it. Now refresh it. So this is our post. Okay, so we have to watch this video till end to get these points. Right now we just created our post template, and also explain how to create this post. Again here in these details like title, duration, title will be the post title itself, here duration and the reward. These two fields will be connected by the SEF plugin so that we can create this each post dynamically. Okay, so whenever we publish a new video, we can set the duration and reward according to the video, to a particular video. Okay, and also here in this post template, this will be connected by the SEF, these points also, and this frequency, and also video category. Okay, if you want to connect, so all these will be connected by the SEF. So before moving to the post, let's connect these details by the SEF. For that we will use an SEF plugin. Search for SEF. Here first by the WP engine, click on install now, then activate it. So after that we go to SEF, go to Full Grips, and this plugin is familiar to most of the people. So click on add new. The first will be video details. So here the duration will be text and the reward also text. So here video duration, and this implies to post. Okay, click to save changes and click on add again another field which will be video points. Click on save, and this is the title. There is no need to create an extra SEO field for this title because we can connect this dynamically using post title, okay, inside dynamic tags. So we have to just create for this frequency and video category. Next field will be video frequency. And the next is video category. Click on save changes. Now this is the post. Click on edit post. Okay, before that let's connect those fields with this content. Let's refresh this template. Here we will connect video duration just under this SEO. Select video duration and here reward, which will be our video points. Click on publish. Now for this template we have to connect for the same. So we have to just change the content inside this description. So click on dynamic tags and here okay, refresh this page first. SEO field and here video duration. Right now it will show nothing because we haven't edited or posted in our post. Here will be total points, video points is the frequency, video frequency, and the final is video category. Okay, click on publish. Now we have to edit our post. Just edit this post and you will see some fields here. So the video duration is 00:30. You can write a SCC. Video points will be 10. Video frequency 1 per hour. Okay. Video category is write something like nature. Okay, so everything is done. Now click on save and open this post. You will see here we have the duration, total points, frequency and category. And go to videos and you will see the contents has been successfully assigned to these details like duration and rewards as we have typed in our SEO fields. Okay, in the next I will just create the another this is the first. Similarly I will create the more 5 videos so that we will have the 6 in a row. Then I will show you how to get the number of the post to show over here. Okay, using a simple PHP code and using their shortcut. Okay, so when whatever the post you will publish in your website, it will just replicate it over here. Okay, it will show the total number of posts your website have. Okay, and this is the static part, or you can connect this by the SCF to show the overall points. Okay, so I will post the 5 videos more, then I will continue this video. So here I added 2 more. You can see here the new videos, and they are playable on our post. Okay, now let's play some video. Okay, and we'll gather some points, then we will just edit this header and we will add points over here. Okay, we have to adjust some settings in the shortcuts, so we'll show you right now. So here we already won the 10 points in our wallet. First, to configure the Gamipress shortcuts, here under this Gamipress, for a search just outside the website, search for Gamipress shortcuts, and we will have the shortcuts of the Gamipress. Okay, here you will see the Gamipress achievement, user points, site points, and point types. So right now we need user points to show. Okay, so click on it. Here you will see the shortcuts, where how to use and their meanings, as you can see here. Okay, just scroll below and you will see Gamipress user points. You have to read all these points. Okay, so from here you can hide or show some extra fields like type, thumbnail size, or simply current user, show points balance of current login users, okay, etc. So right now we have to just show Gamipress user points. Okay, so I will copy it and I will edit the header. So this I will just delete it. There I will add a text, not a text, I will add an icon. Change the icon. Also make it column row horizontal. Now add the heading. And here I will show the shortcut. Okay, I will add a shortcut over here so that users points will appear here. So this is the user points. I will copy all and paste here. From here I will just remove unwanted fields. Thumbnail will be no, and remove rest of the things. Okay, so we have our clean points. Now make it center, and from here remove some extra margins from top and bottom like this. Also you can just shift this to the right hand side, just near to this icon. It's open so far. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we can reduce its size. We'll change the background color. Also the color of this text to white. Okay, and also just give the border radius to it like 10 and shape this to the center, shape this to the right hand side. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, you can also reduce the height of this box, but right now I'm just keeping it as it is. Okay, now click on publish, refresh our website, and we have this 10 points. Now I will show you how it reflects the points when we just complete one task. Okay, so open this 37 video. I will show you live. Click on play button. Also you can fast forward this video. Okay, so video is completed. Now click on refresh and you will see the points is updated to 20 points. So in this way you can reward your users in the many ways. This is the one example which I am going to create in this website. By watching the videos, your users can gain points. Okay, so this way you can show your points anywhere using this shortcuts. You will see a lot of shortcuts over here. Just you use them properly and just integrate in your website. Okay, so next I will create a dashboard. Dashboard will be like this. This is the username, logout button, delete account, and here the one section on the box you can see total points and the request withdrawal, and at the last we will show some task history. Okay, so let's design it. For that we need to create a page for our dashboard. Name it as a dashboard. Change template to Elementor full width. Click on publish. Now edit to Elementor. So first add a container. Give padding to it. From top 30 and bottom will be 30. Okay, now just open this video. You will see that these texts are converted to the green color, so it's maybe some cache issue. I already put the white color on this text. Okay, copy this and paste here. Here we have to show this also white color. Now here I will change text to dashboard. Okay, so here we have to show welcome. First will be the welcome text. Let's change its horizontal to nothing. Change color to black and type of with roboto contains. Okay, duplicate it. Shift this to left hand side, and here in the dynamic tag click on user info. From there set the username. Okay, so it will show username that you have set. Let us okay, just below we have to show two buttons. One is delete, and the second one is a logout, and second is a delete button. Okay, just copy this text, paste here. Now let's style it. This will be our logout. Change direction to row horizontal because you have to adjust the another link, which is delete account. Here style will be italic, and decoration will be underline. Let's change the color to something like red. Okay, and add a dynamic link which will be logout. So here internal link, under this content select logout. Okay, now just duplicate it and change its text to delete account, and change color to something green. Okay, now remove its padding. So we have the welcome and the username, and this is logout button. Okay, in the second column we have to design box like this. So it's very easy. Let's remove these things. So let's design this button. So first of all, let me open this website. So here you will see a box like this. Okay, and inside I have shown the points that this user currently have, and a request withdrawal button. Okay, so it's very simple. So right now I will. Okay, so actually this title should be outside of this container. Okay, and right now I have just created the 3 columns. Inside in the mid I just shown this dashboard title, but it should not be there. You just make a container, and then inside that container create the 3 columns. Okay, and outside that outside of these columns the title will be there. Okay, so right now I will just add a container over here, give a padding to it 30, and this container okay, here we have total earned points earned. So let's add or give first let's add the background color. Then I will just copy this text, paste, and basically we have 2 columns, or you can say this is the column, and it's a row direction. Okay, so that will be converted to this column or flex. So we have to do exactly the same. I will add another container here. Total points earned, semicolon, and shift this to the left, and this column make the direction to horizontal. Okay, not this should be inside this container. Now make it horizontal. After that we have to just copy the shortcut that we have placed in this header. So let's open that header. So I will copy this widget directly and paste here. So we have the points here. Okay, now just align the items to center and also adjust the margin from bottom. And here you can set the font weight to 700, like. Okay, that's it. Also you can increase the font like this, and also remove some extra paddings. Okay, now at the bottom we have this type of button. So I will copy the button from somewhere. Now we have to give some border radius to this column. Set it to 10. So below you will see some history showing the statement like, congratulations, you earned 10 points by watching video. And just next to you will see a date where it asks you perform and the points that you have gained. And this is the thumbnail. So it actually comes under the shortcut of this Gamipress plugin. Right now I had already showed you the Gamipress shortcuts. Let me open that website. So these are the shortcuts available for this Gamipress. Here you will see the user points. Okay, so to write that I will just copy this shortcode, okay, from the previous website and will paste here. Now it's showing all the tasks that we have done on these days, like you have won 10 points of watching video completely on 10th August, 10 points, and this second. Okay, also you can remove the thumbnail. So here I just said thumbnail to no. You can remove this field or just remove the icon from the dashboard. Okay, now click on publish. So here we have the task history. Whenever the user will complete a task, it will show over here. Okay, so our dashboard page is ready. Now we will create the withdrawal page to request the withdrawal. Okay, so let's design that page. So first of all, let me show you how it looks. So here we have a form, okay, which is username, your name, your email, points, and UPI ID. Okay, so let's design this page. Okay, so let's create the page. Withdrawal request. Set template to Elementor full width. Click and edit with Elementor. I will copy this. No need. I will remove these contents as we don't need this content over here. Also this button, and here I will write and just below it we have to write 300 points equals to 100. Sorry, 300 points equals to $1. Add a container just below it. Give a padding from the bottom to 40 and also from the top to 40. This is top and this is bottom. Add another container. Now just make this container as a row horizontal and duplicate these columns. So first let's add some instructions like this. We'll copy this content and inside the text I will put a text widget and paste here. Go to style and also will increase the text. Okay. After that we have to create the contact form 7 where we will show these fields like your name, your email, points and this type UPI ID. So let's add a plugin. Let's check if it is add or not. So it's not added. Search for contact form. This is the contact form 7. Let us install it. And I will simply copy these shortcuts from here. We'll copy and we'll paste here. And also we have to add a page function. We'll show you. Create add new form, which is withdrawal request, and paste here. Click on save. So our form is ready. Now copy this shortcut and insert the shortcode widget here, paste. Okay, so we have the form like this. Okay, now you can change the color of this text by targeting the CSS. Okay, so first of all let's add the function inside the function.php. Let's publish it. Go to appearance, theme file editor, and let me show you how it looks. Go inside the function.php. This is the theme function, and this you will see here, process the withdrawal request. So I will copy this text and I will give this whole code within the block section, so you can easily copy and paste. Okay, open this function.php and paste here. Okay, so our theme file is updated. Okay, so it will restrict the user to withdraw the points who have the less than 300. Okay, so I will show you how it works once updated. Now where is the page? Okay, this is our page. Now let's open it. Click on view. Just target the CSS from here and you can change the color. Okay, so let me show you points, which is 10, and add the UPI ID. Okay, so everything we have written here. Click on request and you will see that insufficient funds, you do not have enough points for this withdrawal. Okay, so in this way this function works. So right now we have completed our tutorial. Only the pages we have left is contact and support, about us, disclaimer, agreement. Okay, and these are the some basic pages. So we almost covered all the important pages that we need to focus mostly. And right now I'm not going to show you how to design these pages, and you can easily download my website from my official website, which is webcloud.co.in. From there, just find the website. This is the first website you will see here, video watching website. Click on it, and then from here you can download the files, you can preview, and also if you want to do some custom design, then you can send us a message. Okay, so from here just download the files. You will get .press file which belongs to all-in-one WP migration. From there just upload on your server. Okay, so it will be automatically uploaded as it is. So thanks for watching the video till here, and in the next video I'll be back with another interesting tutorial. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.